Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about solution of forced oscillation. In the previous class we have learned what is the equation of forced oscillation. Now coming for what is the equation of forced oscillation? The equation of forced oscillation is d square x by dt square plus 2b dx by dt plus omega square x is equals to f sin pt. Keep it as an equation 1. This is an second order. This is an second order derivative. So it has an solution. Second order derivative equation, so that the solution of this will become x is equals to a sin pt minus theta. Keep it as an equation 2. Now differentiate the above equation with respect to t. Dx by dt is equals to ap cos pt minus theta. Again differentiate the equation. D square x by dt square is equals to minus ap square sin pt minus theta. Now x dx by dt and d square x by dt square, these values substitute in equation 1. In d square x by dt square place we will have to return minus ap square sin pt minus theta, whereas dx by dt we have to return ap cos pt minus theta, and whereas x a sin pt minus theta. Now substitute this one. Substitute the above values in the equation 1. Substitute the above values in equation 1. Then we will get minus ap square sin pt minus theta plus 2b ap cos pt minus theta plus omega square a sin pt minus theta, that equals to f sin pt. This can be written as omega square minus p square a sin pt minus theta plus 2b ap cos pt minus theta, that equals to f sin pt minus theta plus theta, that equals to omega square minus p square a sin pt minus theta plus 2app cos pt minus theta. Now this sin pt minus theta plus theta is written as sin a plus b form, then we can written it as f of sin pt minus theta cos theta plus cos pt minus theta sin theta. Now comparing the coefficients on both sides. Now compare the coefficients. Comparing the coefficients on both sides, then we will get sin pt minus theta is equals to a omega square minus p square is equals to f cos theta. Keep it as an equation 3, and cos pt minus theta is equals to 2bp ap is equals to f sin theta. It is an equation 4. Now squaring and adding 3 and 4 equation. Now squaring and adding this 3 and 4 equation, then we will get a square omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square a square p square is equals to f square cos square theta plus f square sin square theta. Now it can be written as a square omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square a square p square. Now a square is in a common term here, no need to write here. 4b square p square is equals to f square cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this can be written as now, whereas cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So a square omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square is equals to f square into 1, whereas cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Now keeping a square this side, a square is equals to, send the whole term that side, then we will get f square by omega square minus p square whole square plus 4bp square p square. A square, here the amplitude will get a square is equals to, now square will go that side, a is equals to f by root over omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square. This is the equation. This is the equation of amplitude. This is the equation of amplitude. Now dividing equation 4 with equation 3. We have got a third equation and fourth equation here. We have got here 3 and 4 equations now. Divide these 3 and 4 equations. Now dividing equation 4 with equation 3. Then we will get that f sin theta by f cos theta is equals to 2b ap by a omega square minus p square. F get off cancelled and here a will get off cancelled. Now sin theta by cos theta is equals to 2bp by omega square minus p square. Sin theta by cos theta can be written as tan theta. Tan theta is equals to 2bp by omega square minus p square, where we can written as this one as theta is equals to tan inverse 2bp by omega square minus p square. Now substitute the value of theta and a. Substitute the value of theta and a in equation x is equals to a sin pt minus theta. Then we will get x is equals to, now a can be written as f by root over omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square into sin pt minus tan inverse 2bp by omega square minus p square. This equation represents the solution of forced oscillation. Thank you.